Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're unboxing a super cool business idea, subscription boxes for kids. Imagine if every month, kids could get a box filled with awesome stuff just for them. There are so many different kinds of boxes you could create, from ones that teach you about science to ones that help you make awesome art projects. It's like having a birthday every single month. So, if you're ready to see all the amazing possibilities for subscription boxes for kids, stick around. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the cool business ideas we share. Have you ever wished that learning could be as fun as playing with toys? With STEM and learning subscription boxes, it totally can be. These boxes are like treasure chests filled with exciting science experiments, brain-bending math puzzles, cool engineering kits, and even coding cards. Imagine getting to build your own robot one month, then making a volcano erupt the next. These boxes are all about making learning super fun and hands-on, so kids don't even realize how much they're learning because they're having such a blast. They're perfect for satisfying those curious minds and sparking a lifelong love of learning. Each month can be a new adventure with different themes and topics. And hey parents, these boxes can be a huge help for you too. They provide all the materials and instructions you need to create awesome learning experiences at home. Are you ready to unleash your inner artist? Arts and crafts. Subscription boxes are bursting with colorful supplies and creative projects that will let your imagination run wild. Every month you'll get a box filled with everything you need to create your own masterpieces. We're talking DIY kits, paints, crayons, colored pencils, clay, paper crafts, and even decorations for every season. These boxes are perfect for kids who love to draw, paint, sculpt, and create. They're a fantastic way to boost creativity and let those imaginations soar. And the best part? There are no limits to what you can create. You can follow the instructions and make the projects in the box, or you can use your imagination and come up with your own unique creations. So, if you're looking for a fun and creative outlet for your kids, arts and crafts subscription boxes are the perfect choice. Do you love getting lost in a good book? Well, get ready for a literary adventure with book subscription boxes. These boxes are a bookworm's dream come true. Every month, you'll receive a carefully curated selection of age-appropriate books that will transport you to different worlds and introduce you to amazing characters. It's like having your own personal librarian who knows exactly what you'll love. But that's not all. These boxes are packed with extra goodies to enhance your reading experience. You might find interactive reading guides that spark discussions, cool bookmarks to mark your place, and even special surprises related to the stories. And here's a bonus for the little ones. Some book boxes include read-along QR codes with audio. That means even toddlers and kids who are just learning to read can enjoy the magic of storytelling. Book boxes are available for a wide range of ages, from babies to teenagers. So there's something for every young reader. So, if you're looking for a way to inspire a love of reading in your child, book subscription boxes are the perfect way to open up a world of imagination and adventure. Get ready for a world of squishy, squashy, sensory fun with Sensory Play subscription boxes. These boxes are specially designed for the littlest explorers, toddlers, and young children who love to touch, feel, and explore with all their senses. Every month, a new box arrives filled with a variety of textures and sensory experiences. Imagine digging your hands into soft, colorful slime, molding and shaping kinetic sand, or discovering hidden treasures in a bin of colorful rice. It's a tactile adventure that will keep little hands busy and engaged for hours. Sensory Play boxes are not only tons of fun, but they're also incredibly beneficial for development. They help improve fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and cognitive development. Plus, they're a fantastic way to calm anxiety and promote relaxation. So, if you're looking for a fun, engaging, and developmentally beneficial activity for your little one, Sensory Play subscription boxes are the perfect choice. Want to give your child the gift of language? Bilingual and language learning subscription. Boxes make learning a new language fun and engaging for kids of all ages. These boxes are like passports to different cultures and languages. introducing kids to new words and phrases in a playful and interactive way. Each month, a new box arrives filled with colorful flashcards, simple books, catchy songs, and fun stickers, all designed to make language learning a blast. Imagine your child singing along to a French lullaby, pointing to animals in a Spanish picture book, or greeting you with a cheerful ni hao in Mandarin. With bilingual and language learning boxes, the possibilities for language exploration are endless. The activities are engaging, the materials are visually appealing, and the repetition helps reinforce new vocabulary and grammar concepts. And the best part? You don't have to be fluent in another language yourself to support your child's learning journey. So, if you're looking for a way to open up a world of opportunities for your child, bilingual and language learning subscription boxes are the perfect way to start their language learning adventure. Get ready for an adventure with character-based adventure boxes. These boxes are like stepping into your own storybook, where imagination and play come to life. Every month, your child will receive a box featuring a recurring character and a new exciting chapter in their ongoing story. It's like having a new episode of their favorite show delivered right to their doorstep. Inside the box, you'll find games, crafts, and even costumes related to the story, allowing your child to fully immerse themselves in the adventure. Imagine your child receiving a box about a brave explorer. They might find a map leading to hidden treasure, a magnifying glass for examining clues, and a compass to help them navigate their way. Character-based adventure boxes are designed to spark creativity, encourage imaginative play, and develop problem-solving skills. So, if you're looking for a way to bring stories to life and ignite your child's imagination, character-based adventure boxes are the perfect choice. Let's travel the world without ever leaving home with cultural discovery boxes. These boxes are like passports to different cultures, introducing kids to the wonders of our diverse planet through fun, hands-on activities and engaging stories. Each month, a new box arrives, focusing on a different country or region of the world. Inside, you'll find a treasure trove of cultural goodies, including traditional crafts, non-perishable food items, colorful maps, fascinating books, and engaging activities that teach kids about the country's customs, traditions, and history. Imagine your child learning about Japan by making origami cranes, trying delicious Pocky snacks, and reading folktales about brave samurai warriors. Or they could explore the Amazon rainforest by building a miniature rainforest diorama, sampling exotic fruits, and learning about the indigenous people who call it home. Cultural discovery boxes are a fantastic way to broaden your child's horizons, foster a love of learning about different cultures, and promote tolerance and understanding of the world around them. So, if you're looking for a way to bring the world to your doorstep and instill a love of cultural exploration in your child, cultural discovery boxes are the perfect way to embark on a global adventure. Let's get healthy and have fun doing it with Healthy Habits boxes. These boxes are like having a personal cheerleader for a healthy lifestyle, encouraging kids to make smart choices about their bodies and minds. Each month, a new box arrives, bursting with fun activities, delicious recipes, and helpful tips for staying healthy, eating well, and moving more. Imagine your child receiving a box filled with colorful fruits and vegetables, along with kid-friendly recipes for smoothies, salads, and healthy snacks. They might also find fun games and activities that teach them about the importance of exercise, hygiene, and getting enough sleep. Healthy Habits boxes are designed to make learning about health fun and engaging for kids of all ages. So, if you're looking for a fun and engaging way to teach your child about healthy living, Healthy Habits boxes are the perfect way to start them on the path to a healthier, happier life. Wow, we've unboxed so many amazing subscription box ideas today. From STEM to arts and crafts, from books to sensory play, there's a box out there for every kid's interest. So get creative, have fun, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more business ideas and tips. See you next time.